Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually waiting for the next sale to arrive on Flipkart and Amazon.in when they can buy their favorite tablets. In this video, I will talk about the best price of some of the tablets that I haven't covered in the last video. Actually, many users want to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. The current pricing of this tablet is 72,000 for the 128GB Wi-Fi version. During offers, many users have bought this tablet at around 52,000 rupees, so that was a great deal. In the next sale, if you get this tablet at around 55 to 56,000 after discount, you can definitely buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Similarly, the price of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus currently is about 71,000 rupees on Flipkart.com, and during offers, many users have bought this tablet at around 62 to 65,000 rupees. And even if you want to buy this tablet, you can buy this at around 67,000 rupees. But I think the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus is around 60,000 rupees. Many users actually want to know the price of Lenovo Tab Plus tablet. I actually don't cover Lenovo tablets, but on demand of the users, I will talk about Lenovo Tab Plus. If you want to buy the 128GB version, in that case the best price is around 14,000 rupees. But you will not get in that price, so you have to wait for the right offers when you can buy Lenovo Tab Plus at around 14 to 15,000 rupees. Hardware wise, this tablet is not so powerful. It comes with Helio G99 processor, so it is not as powerful as other tablets in this segment. However, if you like Lenovo tablets, you can definitely buy Lenovo Tab Plus. Next, if you want to buy iPad Air M3 128GB Wi-Fi version, in that case the current pricing is 56,000 rupees, and if you want to buy this in offer, the best price would be around 52 to 53,000 rupees. Many users are actually waiting to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, but there is not so good offer in this tablet, so if you want to buy this, the best price is around 25,000 rupees. However, to get MI Pad 7 under 25,000 rupees, you have to wait for the right offers, maybe Holi sale or any other sale. So I will let you know about that sale. So these are the pricing of some of the tablets. Let me know in the comment sections below if you want to know the price of any other tablet. I will try to make another video in which I will talk about the best price and also the available offers on tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.